Foam rolling. So, usually everybody wants, it's the thighs. That's the meanest. So you want to cross your leg over the other one. That way you're putting more pressure on the other thigh. Bring yourself up. Use your feet to roll back and forth, bringing your shoulders down, almost like in a plank. You want to find the sweet spot, so you are going to go over a little bit. You're going to slow it down, come up, down on the arms if you need to. Like I said, almost like a plank. Find that sweet spot. Okay, found mine. You're going to breathe. And exhale out. And then as you do, you're slowly going to release it. I feel that. Slowly inhale. Exhale. That's one. Same thing here. Inhale, exhale. You may feel it in your knee. Then you'll know if you've had knee issues, why. Okay. Now you're going to switch. Same thing on the other side. Again, you're moving your foot, as you're seeing here. And you're just getting on that sweet spot. Roll it back and then inhale. Exhale. Find that sweet spot again. You're going to stay on it for a second. Inhale. And exhale, you're going to roll extremely slow, extremely slow, extremely slow. Especially over that sweet spot. Your leg might react to it like mine just did. Oh, yeah. It's that whole area for me. Ah, okay. Now, side plank, modified side plank, really, you're going to bend the bottom knee. You're going to put the top of the foot on the floor or on the, whatever surface you're on. This is best to do before you work out. Including yoga, best to do before you do the yoga. Okay, so you're going to roll that TFL, roll into that IT band area. Okay. You're going to find that sweet spot. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to roll slowly over it. Unless you're not feeling anything. And I'm not, but I'm just demonstrating. I'm pretending like there's a sweet spot there. And we're just going to roll over it real slow. Notice that my foot's right here now because I got it. All right. Real slow, real slow. Same thing. Okay, that actually did turn into a sweet spot. Glad I did that. Same thing, other side. Keeping the bottom knee bent. Extremely slow. Get that sweet spot. And now you're fully, that's the reason why you extend your leg, because now all your weight is on that TFL into the IT band now. You're going to go really slow. Really slow, really slow. All the way down. I'm going extremely slow. I'm just using my foot to help. Ooh, yeah, my IT band's tight. And that's usual for me. Ooh. All right. Oh, man, that was evil. All right, now we're going to cross. I'm going to start with the opposite this time. I'm going to start with the left. Bring my arms behind me, but my fingers are pointing to me. So I'm using my arms this time. If you can go this way, that might be easier. That way your shoulders aren't going inward. So now my fingers are away. Legs are crossed. Again, this is the only time you can cross your legs. Only time you're allowed to cross your legs. Okay. Kind of sit just to give it a little bit more pressure. Use your feet. Use your feet. All right, you found that sweet spot, and I like to go back and forth on it, work it out. Okay. Same thing, other side. Unless you can keep going, I don't keep going on those hamstrings. Those hamstrings could be something else. I just find one sweet spot, work it, move on. Use your feet, use your hands. I'm pretending because this side, shockingly, is good. Go back and forth. Okay. Now, I find I don't need to cross my legs for calves. Also known as gastrocs. But I do bring myself up a little bit. And I just move both of them if you can handle it. If you can't, that's fine. Just do one and move on. Ooh. And we do the whole entire leg, okay? There's no, oh good. No, we're doing the adductors after this. Trust me. We are definitely doing the adductors. And I can tell that my gastrocs need this, especially my left. So see which one needs it more than the other in certain areas. Okay, and that's literally all I do for that, because if we kept going, we'd be here all day, because I know my calves are tight. Okay, now, I'm going to go away from the camera first, and then go toward the camera, because I want you to see how I'm doing it. On the back side, I'm just going to keep my knee bent here. And there's my adductor right there, okay? And I just roll real slow. You can do this on the floor. If you do this on the floor, you're going to have to extend your leg like when we were doing the side plank. Keep one leg extended. I find it's easier to do this on a bench or on a massage table, but that's just me. Oh man, that is tight. So I just do it a couple times, then I move on to the next one. That was good. All right. Now, from the other side, this is how it looks. And I'm slowing it down. Rolling it in. Rolling it out, especially on the out. Really slowing it down. Really slow it down. Let me see if I can get more inward. There we go. Yeah, that's better. Try to get as inward as you can toward the groin and then roll out from there. All right. This side actually isn't bad. It was all my right. So try to be mindful of things like that. This is the last roll. Okay, and then that's it. That is how you foam roll.